am actually kind of blown away right now. When they say twice the emotion, I think they're right. Good morning. Today we're going to be unboxing and testing out the keephifi sta-k or sta-k. I don't even know how to pronounce this thing. They are dual dynamic drivers hi-fi in-ear earphones. Twice the immersion, twice the emotion. That's what it says on the listing. Before we unbox it, let's go ahead and take a look at the website. As you can see, this is what they look like. Pretty fancy. I'm not a fan of like the diamond slash bedazzled slash jewel look, but it looks pretty cool to me. If it was like fully transparent like the insides were, I think I would prefer it a lot more. I don't dislike them, but it's just like not my style. See, it says twice the immersion, twice the emotion. I am by no means an audiophile, by the way, so I have no idea what any of this stuff means. The romance of wired audio elegance never fades. Very interesting. I'm gonna go skip to the whatever this is if you're interested in that, but you can check this all out on their website. Anyways, let's go ahead and unbox this thing. Wow, so pretty. Okay. Oh, wait, I forgot my microphone. Okay, so I got it all set up. Now all we have to do is test it out, listen to them, and see what we think. This is a very unscientific test, by the way. I got it plugged into my MacBook, and we're just gonna launch up Spotify. Okay? As an average consumer, this is what I like to do. I don't do anything fancy. I don't have a DAC. And we're gonna play Golden. If you know, you know. Ready? We're gonna... Doesn't look the most aesthetic, but I do have a 3.5mm extension cable I could use at any point. I am actually kind of blown away right now. When they say twice the emotion, I think they're right. Okay, I gotta go to the AirPods and see how they compare. But that was very, very nice. The whole soundstage was very clear, very prominent. The lows was clear, the mids was clear, the highs were clear. That's all I can describe as, you know, someone who doesn't really know what they're talking about in terms of sound. It sounds good, and that's what matters. Okay, the AirPods are good, right? And I think I just got used to them because I've always been wearing them. But these feel immersive. So make sure when you do have these sorts of earbuds, you get the right fit for your ear. I have the medium ones, not that it matters. We're gonna go back and just play some more of the music. Still golden. So what I was doing there is a super scientific smile test. So when you're smiling, your face moves and your stuff inside your head shifts. I guess that can kind of affect the sound quality that you're listening to, especially with like a pair of earbuds like this. And something that I do want to point out is that these do have a sort of sweet spot. If they're not sitting correctly in your ears, they're not going to sound as good. So you got to make sure that these are like properly fitted inside your ears at all time. But I'm pretty satisfied. At the moment, it's $49, and I definitely think these are worth the price if you want a more premium listening experience that won't break the bank. Not bad for catching feelings. I'm gonna definitely listen to that album again and again with these earbuds on. If you're interested, I'll have these linked in the description, but that's it for now. Thanks for listening. I'll see you tomorrow.